Good morning, y'all. Happy Wednesday. This is Carla Thornton-McClain, CLT, Transformation Life Coach. I'm jumping on. Again, this is our third day. We're actually going over the Brighten Up set. This morning, we're going to actually be going over the Brighten Up Illuminating Cream. In other words, it's the daytime face cream that you actually put on your skin, okay? And I just wanted to talk a little about how you say some of the benefits. And if you've been following me, you already know that we're using that middle finger once again, like I said, because we want to be very, very gentle when it comes to our skin. When we're putting anything on our skin, we don't want to be putting pressure on our skin, on our face when we're actually doing, okay? And like all of the products in the Brighten Up skincare set, you guys, it pretty much all of these products, I say, is similar and works hand in hand to in regards as far as, like I said, the benefits, okay? And as you can see, if you was looking at my skin before I start putting it on, how you say sometimes your skin will actually be looking dull, and as you can see, it helps that dull skin to look refreshed and glowing. You can already see it immediately how my skin is actually, how I say, glowing and actually refreshed, gives it that glow. So it's giving it that moisturizer to last us actually throughout, how I say, throughout the day, okay? And then it also improves the look of skin texture and tone, you guys, okay? You actually don't need a lot. That time I just probably got too much, guys. You don't really need a lot. I'm trying to use my fingers. You can see, and I got my nails done. So sometimes those nails, you have to get used to how you say using those nails. And then as you can see already thus far, like I said, you don't actually have to use a lot. How you get that radiant skin glows, okay? And like I said, the benefits are it reduces the appearance of wrinkles. And if you have been following me, I was actually talking about the eye cream on Monday and how I actually use it as well up here. So in other words, you use all 5 products, but this one also reduces the appearance of wrinkles. It improves the look of skin texture and tone, and it helps that dull skin to radiate and glow, okay? Not going to be on here too long this morning, you guys. I just wanted to, like I said, jump on and go over the third product. If you have been following me, there's actually 5 products in the Brighten Up, like I said, Brighten Up skincare set. Actually, I have been doing it for a couple of weeks. I'm definitely satisfied, and I definitely love the product. So if you're actually interested in trying the Brighten Up skincare set, feel free to send me a direct message. In all of my videos, as well as my posts, I include my email, my telephone number, and all my social media. So you can, the quickest way is actually just send me a direct message, but you can send me an email as well as give me a call, and make sure you actually leave a voice message for I'll be able to give you a call back and know who actually called me, okay? And just let me know what the reason you're calling, what you're interested in. And once again, you guys, I don't know if you all can see that. That is what we went over today, and that's the daytime face moisturizing cream in regards to the Brighten Up set, okay? That's all for now, and I'll be seeing you all later on this evening when we'll actually be going over the number 7 reason that prevents us from, I say, making those positive life changes. Bye for now. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Take care, all. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.